Good morning, students. Here I will show you how to take user input and perform addition. Okay, that means we will take user input and then perform addition. So for that, first we have to open this browser. Okay, this is the browser. Now it is opening. Okay, you can see here the other classes I have already compiled. Okay, now I have to make another new class. Okay, for that I have to go to this new class button and then click. Okay, then I have to give a class name. Suppose the class name is addition. Addition. Okay, so I have given class name addition, then okay, then this new class is created. So this class is created and we have not compiled it yet, so it is looking like that. Okay, and if we will compile it and if it will be compiled successfully, then it will be look like this input or this loop like that. Okay, so first we have to write code. So for that we have to open the editor. After right clicking we will open the editor. So after opening editor, you can see lots of lines predefinedly written here or previously written here. At first we have to delete this all. We will delete this using Ctrl A. We will select this all and then we will delete this. Okay. Okay. Sorry for the visibility. Okay, so first I will write the class name, class addition. The class name will be same as the name by which we have saved this class, addition. Okay, class addition. Then the second bracket starts. The second bracket of the class starts. Okay, enter. Then the main method, public static void main string. Arg. You can write arg or args, whatever you wish. Then the bracket opening of the parenthesis and close. Okay, and again enter. Then the second bracket of main is opening. Okay, now here we will discuss declare three integer variable, right? Int I, j, k. Now we have to create an object of scanner class. Okay, to take user input we have to create an object of scanner class. Okay, so for creating an object of scanner class, you must understand scanner is a predefined class. Okay, the class is already defined in a package, that is java.util. It is defined in java.util package. So when we will import, import java.util.scanner. Okay, so first we will create the object, then we will import the class. Okay, so for creating an object, first we have to write this class name, that is scanner, then the object name. Suppose the object name is O, then is equal to, then the new operator, then scanner, again the class name. Within the class name we will write system dot in, as we will take user input. Okay, so see, first we have declared the class name, that is class addition, then the main method public static void main string arg, then the second bracket of main method is opening, then we have declared three integer variable, that is I, j and k. Then we are creating an object of scanner class, scanner, and the object name is O. So class name, then the object name, then new, then again the class name, and within the parenthesis of the class name we have written system.in, as we have to take input. For taking input we will write system.in, otherwise for showing output we have to write system.out. That we usually write whenever we write system.out.println, right? So this object is created for taking input. Now as we have used the scanner class, and this scanner class is a predefined class, so we have to import this scanner class and the package. Okay, for importing that package we have to write here import java.util.scanner. Util is a sub package within Java package. Okay, and then scanner class, or you can say util is a package where the scanner class is defined already. Okay, for that we have to write like this, import java.util.scanner. So this will be capital. So if we have to use the scanner class, then first we have to import that package. If we do not import that package, we will not be able to use this class. They will show error, the compiler will show error. Okay, so import java.util.scanner, then class, then main, then we have declared three integer variables here, then we have made object of scanner class. Okay, then we will write system.out.println. Okay, enter the numbers for addition. Okay, now I will copy this line because I need this line again. Ctrl C. Okay, now enter, Ctrl V. Here I will do little change. Enter the first number. Okay, so when the user will enter the first number, then the number should be received. So how the number should be received? The number should be received in a variable, suppose in I variable. So I is equal to O dot nextInt. NextInt is a method that will receive the input given by the user. Okay, so we have made an object of scanner class, which is very necessary. Then nextInt is a method within the scanner class. So if we have to access any method within that scanner class, first we have to make an object of that class. So we have made the object of that scanner class, that is O. Then we will access the nextInt method, which is defined within the scanner class. Okay, and this nextInt method is used to take user input. So the first number given by the user will be stored in variable I. Okay, now we will write the second number. Enter the numbers, enter the second number. We will ask the user to enter the second number. Enter the second number. Now the user will enter the second number. Okay, then we have to store this number again in another variable, that is j. So we will write j is equal to o dot next int. Okay, now we have stored the input given by the user for the first number and for the second number. So we will do the multiplication and store the multiplication. We will do the addition and store the value in k. So k is equal to I plus j. So for the first number given by the user, we have stored it in I variable, and the second number given by the user, we have stored it in j variable. Then we are doing this addition I plus j and storing the result in k. Okay, so just we have to show now the value of k. Show the result is plus k. Plus is concatenation operator plus k. So it is the whole program. Now you have to complete the parenthesis of main, then the parenthesis of, that means the second bracket of main, then the second bracket of class. See carefully the whole program. First we have imported the package java.util, because the scanner class, we have to use the scanner class, and the scanner class is defined within this package. Okay, so we have imported java.util.scanner because we have to use the scanner class. Now the class name, class addition, then the main method, public static void main string arg. Then we have declared three variables, three integer variables, that is I, j and k. Now we have to make an object of scanner class. For that we have written first the class name, that is scanner, then the object name, that is o. Whatever object name you wish, you can give. Okay, then new is the operator. Then new is the operator. New is an operator that is used to create an object. Then again the class name, and then system.in because we have to receive an input. Okay, then just we have printed, we have asked the user for the numbers, enter the numbers for addition and enter the first number. Then when the user will provide the first number, it will be we want to save it in a variable. Okay, to save that input in a variable, we have to call the nextInt method that is defined in scanner class. So for calling this nextInt method, we have used the object of scanner class that we have made previously. So I is equal to o dot nextInt. So this will retrieve, or this will store the input given by the user in I variable. Secondly, we have again asked the user for second input, and the user again will give the second input, and it will be stored in similar way in j variable. So the first input will be stored in I variable, and the second input will be stored in j variable, and then in k we will store the result, that is k is equal to I plus j, and then we will print the value of k. Okay, this is the program. Now we will check whether it is right or no. So we have to compile it. Sorry, it has become easier. Okay. Now we will compile it. Compile. Class compiled, no syntax error. Okay, so just we have to run this. For running this, see this addition class, we have compiled it and we will run it now. Now we will right click here and void main string. Here we have to click because we want to run this main method. Okay, so here we will click and then again and okay. See, enter the numbers for addition. Okay, enter the first number, suppose 45. Then enter the second number, suppose this is 35, and entering the second number we will get the result. So in the output screen, see the program is asking me enter the number for addition, then enter the first number. I have provided the first number 45. Then the program is again asking me enter the second number. Okay, then I have provided the second number 35, and then they are showing the result, that is 80. So our program is correct. Okay, in a similar way you can take user input for subtraction, for multiplication, for division, or for anything. In whatever the purpose of your program is, you can take user input in this. Okay, so this is the program to show you that how to take an user input. Okay, how to take user input and perform operations. Okay, I hope you understood. You can see the visibility problem. Please forgive me for that. Okay, and if you will face any kind of difficulties, please contact with me. I will help you. Okay, so thank you for the day, and please give your feedback.